I'm here to show you a neat device. If you don't have one, I think a lot of farmers know about this anyway. But this particular one is really, really slick. It's called a moisture meter. It's that simple. This is from our very good friends at FridayParts, FridayParts.com. This is the simplest thing in the world. I get a close-up picture of this for Kevin to put on, but you see where it says power, you press power, and it comes on. So now all you do, I think you've used these anyway, Sean.
Yep.
Let me just see if I'm doing this right.
That's an old bale at the end. So
okay,
yeah.
Well, there's wrapped.
Yeah.
That's what I wanted. Do you have a new wrapped one or no?
Yeah, they're in behind, so we have to.
So that says 13. 13, that's percentage.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. So now is that a percentage of the total weight of the bale? Or?
It's a percentage of the moisture in the bale. So ideally you want it between 12 and 18% for dry hay. 14 is kind of where we aim for.
And that's good. That was just over 13.
Yeah.
That's really good.
But I know they'll be high in content.
70.
And these were pretty wet when we baled them up.
Well, it sure works then.
Yeah, it works really good.
Well, obviously you keep them in the plastic.
Yep.
I've seen you wrapping these too. And you don't put a wrap of plastic. It goes over and over and over and over.
Yeah.
Like the hay is probably under 3 or 4 layers.
Yep. Yeah, that's idea because the sun will break this down a little bit. So you want the extra wraps to keep it from breaking down and keeping that seal good. Yep.
Okay, let's go and take a look at an old bale. We're going to try this one to see. Okay, we're at 0. Slide the moisture meter in. 8.
Yeah.
8%. So this is quite dry.
Yeah.
So this is quite fresh. I want to try the same thing and we'll see how they all compare. Okay?
Yep.
Like this. 15.
Okay.
Is that roughly what you'd expect?
Basically, yeah.
Hey, moisture meter sure works really good.
It sure does.
Thanks, bud.
No problem.
Well, you better get busy.
Yeah, I do.
So it's time for me to say goodbye. Hey, moisture meter from FridayParts.com. Thank you very much, Sean. Bye.